Casa Del Rey, an apartment building that has stood the test of time in Pontiac, Michigan. Join us as we explore the building's past, present, and future. Well, if it has a future, that is. But before we get started, I've totally got to drop in this quick intro, and maybe while I'm doing that, you guys could give my channel a quick subscribe. All right, let's get this show on the road. In the late 1920s, Pontiac was a boom town, and housing was scarce as workers moved to the city to find jobs in the local automobile factories. Taking advantage of the market, local real estate investor C.L. Groesbeck Jr. began work on the Casa Del Rey apartments in 1928. Groesbeck hired Robert O'Derrick, an architect with offices in both Detroit and Pontiac, to design the building. Derrick's Pontiac office manager, William C. Zimmerman, oversaw the development of plans for the apartment. Pryal Construction Company, Inc. of Pontiac was hired to construct the building. Construction began in 1928 and was complete in early 1929. When completed, the building had 41 individual apartments ranging in size from 2 to 6 rooms and was supposedly the largest apartment building in Pontiac at the time. As you can see, the architecture of the building is quite impressive. The building is a 4.5-story Spanish eclectic structure of yellow and orange brick with many decorative accents. It is a C-shaped building with the main entry within a courtyard facing the street. 2 entry porches face the street on either side of the courtyard opening. On the 3rd level, above the porches, are 3 panels filled with sky blue and pale green ceramic tiles. Similar panels are also found above the entryway. The main entry itself consists of a heavy round-topped opening surrounded with cut stone detailing. Windows in the structure are vertical metal casement units. Inside the public spaces are elaborately detailed with clay tile in a variety of patterns and color. The main entry opens into a vestibule which leads to the lobby. The lobby is elliptical with fountains everywhere. Winding stairs lead to the corridors, which are a few feet above the lobby floor. Back in the day, Casa Del Rey was a popular spot for the affluent residents of Pontiac. It had all the modern amenities of the time, including elevators, a rooftop garden, and a ballroom for entertaining. In the 1950s, the building was converted into apartments and became more affordable for the middle-class residents. I recently spoke to an acquaintance of mine that lived in the building in the 70s. She remembers Casa Del Rey being the place to party. The building was full of life with many interns and hospital staff residing there. She recalls riding the old Otis elevator from floor to floor, hopping between different parties. But as the years went on, the building began to fall into disrepair and the residents started to move out. The building was, however, added to the National Register of Historic Places on June 29, 1989. Today, Casa Del Rey stands empty and is awaiting its next purpose. There have been talks of restoring the building to its former glory, but it's been a slow process. Recently, there were plans to redevelop the building, but that appears to have died out after being presented to the state. The building is currently owned by the county, and they are working on finding a developer to bring new life to this historic gem. As you can see, Casa Del Rey is a unique building with a rich history. It's a reminder of a time when Pontiac was a thriving city, and buildings like this were a symbol of its prosperity. Let's hope that someday soon, the building will find new life and become a part of Pontiac's bright future. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Casa Del Rey. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one, and let us know in the comments down below what you think should be the next chapter for this historic building. Oh yeah, and let's not forget, I'm a real estate agent as well, specializing in historic homes as well as the city of Pontiac. So if you know someone who's looking to buy or sell a home in Metro Detroit, you should totally have them give me a call. As always, I appreciate the heck out of you, my friends, and until next time, bye!